show you this one now.
Let me carry this stuff from you. I go my case now.
So I'm going to play a
Can
game.
I get 15 naira from you?
Now not with cash like this. Now go ATM later.
It's sent to what is going on. I don't any cash.
And then, go ask Mesh now.
This one, will he ever have?
Are you stupid? What's the meaning of that rubbish then? Can you imagine? I mean, they talk to
the calm down.
No, you see what this small is now.
Just hold, give him a Mesh they go.
15, what is 15 naira?
Now, tell him sorry.
Sorry.
They like nonsense, so.
Give him now, Mesh they come out now.
Marry 15 naira. Why go they talk nonsense?
A few moments later.
Sure you don't have. I rest my case.
Hey! I am in severe pain!